Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel going to teach you 7th grade mathematics. Already we had started with rational numbers. In the previous class we had seen that rational numbers between two rational numbers. On a number line, today we will try to find out how many rational numbers are between two rational numbers. Today we will have some more example related to it. Now we can find out an infinity rational numbers. Here we will read out, we can find infinitely many equivalent rational numbers to a given rational number by just multiplying it numerator and denominator by the same integer. Again I will repeat, we can find infinitely many equivalent rational numbers to a given rational number by just multiplying. We are doing a multiplication, just multiplying its numerator and denominator by the same integer. So, we can find unlimited or infinite numbers of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So, in between two rational numbers there are infinite rational numbers we can find out by multiplying its numerator and denominator by the same integer. We will see some examples here. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Here they have told us 5 rational numbers. So, we will try to find out 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Let us write -1 and 0 as a rational number with a denominator as 10. Denominator as 10. We have -1 is equal to -10 upon 10 is nothing but as a -1. Are you getting me? When you reduced here 10 ones are in the numerator and the denominator. So, we are getting as a -1 and how we will represent 0 as 0 upon 10. So, we know -10 upon 10 is smaller than -9 upon 10 is smaller than -7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 -7 upon 10 is smaller than -3 upon 10 and is smaller than -2 upon 10 is smaller than -1 upon 10 and 0 upon 10. Here we had got many rational numbers. I had taken as a denominator as 10. You can take a denominator as you wish, but in between this there should be a 5 rational number. You can go for the denominator as a 6. We will see here -2 upon 10. Here it is -2 upon 10. When we reduced it, 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So, -2 upon 10 can be written as -1 upon 5. What it is? Yes, you are right. It is in the simplest form. Hence, the 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0 are -9 upon 10, -7 upon 10, -3 upon 10, -1 upon 5 and -1 upon 10. These are the rational number between -1 and 0. So, here what will be here? -10 upon 10 means it is nothing but -1 and here will be 0 upon 10 is nothing but and 0. So, in this way we had find out 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Again we will have some example. List 5 rational numbers between minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. Let us write minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3 as rational numbers with denominator 45. I told first only you have to consider your own number. So, as denominator 45, we are taking as denominator 45, we have minus 4 upon 5 equal to minus 36 upon 45. How? When you reduced it, we will get as minus 4 upon 5. How will reduce? It is nothing but multiplication by 9. So, 9 4s are 36 and 9 5 time is 45. Now, this we got as an rational numbers. Here minus 2 upon 3 is equal to what we are going to take in a denominator is 45. So, 45, to make this 45, what number you are going to multiply? Yes, it is 15. So, same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So, it is 15. So, what will be 15 2 times is 30 and it is minus. So, it is minus 30 upon 45. We know minus 36 upon 45 is smaller than minus 35 upon 45 is smaller than minus 34 upon 45. This is smaller than minus 33 upon 45. This is smaller than minus 32 upon 45 and minus 32 upon 45 is smaller than minus 31 upon 45 and minus 31 upon 45 is smaller than minus 30 upon 45. How you know this? Yes, we had considered this as a rational number as minus 36 upon 45, then you know when we go from left to right, the values will be increased. So, whatever when we go from right to left, value will be lowest. So, these all the values towards the left hand side is a lowest value. So, minus 36 upon 45 till we get as a minus 30 upon 45. What are the numbers in between these two rational numbers? Between, the word between means we have to consider this 5. So, minus 33 upon 45 can be written as minus 11 upon 15. How? Yes, we had made it into a simplest form. What we had done? We had done into its simplest form. We can say if it is possible to reduce, we can reduce and make it into simplest form, and minus 35 upon 45 can be written as minus 7 upon 9. What we had done? Yes, you are right. Again we had reduced here and we had made this rational number into its simplest form. Before sometime we had seen how to reduce by dividing this rational number to get it into its simplest form. So, in this way, what are the rational numbers between minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3? Here they told us 5 rational number. So, we have considered a denominator as a 45 and we had tried to find out a 5 rational number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It was, the word was between. So, we are not considering as minus 4 upon 5 and we are not considering as minus 2 upon 3. So, in this way we had find out a 5 rational numbers between a 2 given rational numbers. Now, we will see additions of 2 rational numbers with the same denominator. You know, when the denominators are same, in a fraction it was very easy to add or subtract. Here we will see when the denominators are same, when we are having a rational number, when we add two rational number. Add the following rational numbers, as we are considering an example as 7 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 4. But my question is addition of a two rational number. So, addition means in the place of and you have to write an addition sign. So, it is written as 7 upon 4 plus inside the bracket minus 3 upon 4. Now, by having a same denominator, it is easy to do any operation, that is addition or subtraction. Now, you are very familiar with integers. Here plus into minus is always a minus. So, when the denominators are same, you wrote here as common as a 4 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. When you get 4 upon 4 is nothing but 1 when we make it into its simplest form. So, in this way we got as a 1 when we added a two given rational numbers. Now, we will see on a number line. On the number line we have 0, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4. What was this? We want to find out or we want to do the addition of this. What is the given? 7 upon 4? Yes, 7 upon 4 we have to add when we will go to our to get as minus 3 upon 4. So, what will be here? We are doing here when it is minus 3 upon 4, what we had done? We had done this both the rational numbers in the simplest form. So, plus into minus is minus, this is an operation we have to find out as a 3 upon 4. So, 7 upon 4, then we hit 6 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. How many? 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So, 3 times the answer is 4 upon 4. When you reduce this, we get as an 1. So, in this way additions of a two rational numbers with a same denominator, it is very easy. Yes, it is very easy, just you have to see the operations. If addition, it is very easy, but if it is given as an minus rational number or the negative rational number, you have to find out an type of an operation. So, in this way we had done additions of a rational numbers when denominators are same and directly as well as on a number line. Now, we will find out what are the steps when the denominators are different. What are the steps to find out additions of a two rational numbers when having a different denominator? So, additions of a two rational numbers with different denominator, first step, take the LCM. Now, you know very well what is LCM, is nothing but least common multiple of the denominator of rational numbers and make them equal. In the previous class we had learned this, how to make a denominator equal. So, it is very easy to find out an LCM. Now, second step is add the obtained rational numbers. What we are getting, that we have to add it. So, we will see examples of this when denominators are different. In the number line and we had seen solved directly when the denominators were same. Here the both the denominators are different. Find the sum. Sum is nothing but addition. If add the rational number is nothing but again addition. So, 7 upon 3 plus inside the bracket minus 3 upon 4. Here plus into minus is always a minus, you know very well. So, first what we will do? We will go by step. First we have to take an LCM of a denominator. What is the LCM? Yes, you are right, because we have here a prime number. So, we can go directly that 3 times a 4 is and 12. So, LCM is 12. Now, we can write 7 upon 3 is equal to 28 upon 12. How? Because to make a denominator 12, we may multiply here by 4, that is 4 times 3 is 12. In the same, in the numerator we multiply 4 times 7 is 28, and minus 3 upon 4 is equal to, what we are doing here? To get the denominator equal, we multiply it by 3. So, 4 times 3 is 12 and minus, it is given, we have to write a minus, and the same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Now, we got the rational numbers with a same denominator. Now, it is very easy to do the operation. So, what will be the second step? Now, we add a rational numbers as usual. So, you know 7 upon 3 plus inside the bracket minus 3 upon 4. What will be the operation here? Yes, you are right, subtraction. In the place of 7 upon 3, what we will write? 28 upon 12, plus into minus is minus, and in the place of minus 3 upon 4, we will write minus 9 upon 12. So, we wrote here is minus 9 upon 12. So, what is this minus 9 upon 12? Yes, here it is an operation. So, we have to not consider here. So, your operation will be 28 minus 9 and denominator will be 12. So, in this way we have tried to find out addition of a rational number. We will see an example here. Add the following rational numbers, that is minus 7 upon 11 and 1 upon 5. The steps, first we will see minus, step by step we will go. Take the LCM and make the denominator of both the rational numbers equal. So, here we are making the both the number equal. So, how we are making the both the number equal? Yes, by multiplying by 5 to get the denominator equal. So, we are multiplying minus 7 multiplied by 5 and 11 multiplied by 5. So, what will be here? Minus 35 upon 55 and 1 upon 5, which is another rational number, multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. So, it will be 11 upon 55. Now, here both the denominators are same, we can go for operation. Here we are having a addition. So, what will be our step? Add the rational numbers. Yes, we have to add the rational numbers. So, minus 35 upon 55 plus 11 upon 55 is equal to minus 35 plus 11 upon 55. So, in this way we get an answer as minus 24 upon 55. These are the example we had seen how to add the rational number. Now, we will see some example related to it. So, here two more examples are there, we will try to solve it. What is and how to find the question is itself as an sum. So, we will write an addition of the two given rational number. Step by step we will find out. Here first step is, first we have to find out an LCM. So, here the LCM will be is equal to 99. LCM is 99. Why? You know that when it is a prime number, we can do direct multiplication and we get the LCM as a 99. Now we have to make the both the denominator as an 99. So which number we will multiply? First we will consider as a minus 3 upon minus 11. I will make more easy here, minus minus get cancelled. So here it will be 3 upon 11. What we have to do? We have to make a denominator as 99. So we will multiply it by 9 to get as an 99 as a denominator. Here we will multiply it by same number, 9 3s are 27. So we had find out with one rational numbers, another rational number is 5 upon 9. To make this denominator 99, we have to multiply it by 11. So we will multiply same in the numerator. So we are multiplying it by 11. So here will be in the denominator 99 and 11 5s are 55. Now you can see the both the denominators are equal. So we can do any operation. I had already here we are having an subtraction in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So I had cancelled here in the second step. So what is here? Directly we can go for as 27 upon 99 plus 55 upon 99. So in the place of this we will write as 27. Now both the denominators are equal. So I will write here as 99. The operation is addition. So I will add here is a 55. Now it is very simple addition. You can do 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry. So it is 6 and this is 6, 7, 8 upon 99. In this way we can find out a addition of an rational number. Now we will see one more example here. Another example is given as an mixed fraction. Two mixed fractions rational numbers are given, that is in one is a positive and one is an negative rational number. So step by step we will follow and we will try to solve it. Here given as a minus 2 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 whole 3 upon 5. Just minus 2 whole 1 upon 3. So now first it is given as an mixed fraction. First we will try to find out in improper. So you know very well 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 3, but here it is minus. So we will write as minus. Now operation is addition. We will do the addition. Here is 5 whole. So what will be? 4 5s are 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 5. Now we are having both the denominators are different. So first we have to find out an LCM. We have to find out the steps. So what will be the LCM? Yes, you are very familiar now. Always we are having a prime number. So we can go directly as an 15. 5 3s are 15. So LCM is 15. To make this both the denominator 15, what should be? Multiply in the denominator as well as in the numerator. To get this 15, we have to multiply it by 5, and here also we will multiply it by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 7 5s are 35, but it is an minus 35 upon 15. We will see another rational number as 23 upon 5. So we will have 23 upon 5. We have to make it into 15. So it will be multiplied by what to get 15? We will multiply it by 3. Here also we have to multiply it by 3. So in this way 5 3s are 15. Here 23 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. or you can do the multiplication in this way, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So, now we are having both the denominator equal. So, now both the denominators are equal, we can go for any operation. I will try to write here, so it will be more easy to understand. Here the here the denominators are equal, so I will write here as a 15 as a common, is minus 35. You have to carry the sign properly. So, it is minus 35, operation is addition, and this is 69. Now, you know one is plus, one is minus. So, always we have to do the subtraction of a number. So, that is 69 minus 35. Now, you know 9 minus 5 is 4 and this will be 3. So, I will write here 34 upon 15. What is the greater number sign? Is plus. If you write, it is okay. If you do not write, it is also okay. So, here it is plus 34 upon 15. In this way, the sum of the two rational numbers when denominators are different, we had tried to find out. We will see some more examples. Additions, additive inverse. You know, we had learned in a fraction also, even in the integers also. Now, we will learn the additive inverse in a rational numbers. Let us assume minus 1 upon 7 is equal to blue circle and 1 upon 7 is equal to red circle. What we are doing? Just we are imagining. Now, add minus 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. What is additive inverse? Minus 1 upon 7 is 1 upon 7. So, now we have to add minus 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So, minus 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by minus 1 upon 7. Why? Because we know that minus 1 upon 7 is blue. So, what we had done? We had done this rational number in the form of minus 1 upon 7. So, when we 5 times means it is nothing but 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5. So, it is 5 upon 7. So, what we had got here? Minus 1 is how many times? 5 times. What is minus 1 upon 7? Is blue circle. So, we will write 5 times a blue circle. Here 5 upon 7, yes, because we are having another rational number as 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 times of 1 upon 7. What is the 1 upon 7? Is a red circle. So, how many times 1 upon 7 is? 5 times. So, we will write a 5 times a red circle. Now, when we add this blue circle as red circle, that is nothing but minus 5 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 0. These get cancelled. These get cancelled because it is an minus 1 upon 7. What is the answer? Is a 0. So, additive inverse with the help of an activity, or we can say with the help of an example, we had find out that minus 5 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 0. You can take in another example also, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0, or you can take 3 upon 5 plus inside the bracket minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 0. In this way, we had find out with an activity what is an additive inverse of a given rational number. So, you can write your own rational numbers and you can find out an additive inverse of the given rational number by an activity also. So, in this way we had find out when minus 5 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 0. Hope so, my dear student, you have understood this, and try to solve a similar example from the textbook. So, the concept will be more clear. Thank you very much.